Hello everyone, my name's John Kirkwood and welcome to my Patreon page. And I'd like to give you a brief overview of what I do and what I'm asking for. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK, and I basically put together video recipes on YouTube that we've used over the years in our work kitchens. As the channel has become very popular over the last year or so, I'm finding I need to make and post more videos each week. And the cost of making these is increasing more and more. For example, there's ingredients, video equipment, editing software, website upkeep, and of course a lot of my time. I do receive a little YouTube ad revenue, but unfortunately not enough for what I need. And hopefully that's where you come in. What you can do to help is kindly donate a small amount once a month through Patreon, which will help massively in keeping the channel going. What I'm asking for is $2 a month or whatever you can afford. In return, you'll have 24-hour early access to my latest video recipe on Patreon, and a shout out and name splash across the screen. And if you can pledge $5 or more per month, you'll get all of the above, plus I'll also send you one of these personally signed pastry brushes and a written signed copy of my latest recipe. And I'll post those to you free of charge anywhere in the world. And please don't worry about being tied to this arrangement. You can stop the payment and pull out any time you wish. Well, that's about it. I really hope you can help, but if not, it doesn't matter. It's absolutely no problem. You're always welcome on my channel. So, thanks very much for listening, and I hope you'll join me in my next video recipe. Bye for now.